Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to the session of the Brain Lab Techies. And today we are in the day 6 of the machine learning playlist. And till now, whatever we are doing, I have seen the previous videos. And till now, whatever we are doing, we are going very theoretical. So that is why today I have thought that let us be bit practical and let us show you one platform that is about the Google Colab, where whatever we will be doing the programmings and the codings, whatever the models we will be building, that we will be building in this Google Colab platform. As because Google Colab is such a platform where everything is available at free of cost, and it is an open source platform first of all. And this whatever the codes we will be writing, everything will get saved in the Google server, and that will remain safe for us as well. Because if we download Jupyter or if we use the VS Code, we have to maintain the files in the VS Code in our local system. We have to maintain everything. That will be really hectic as a beginner. And once those who are using a low end laptop or low end computers, or someone who are learning from their tablets, for them also it will be helpful, because this Google Colab is actually a platform which is platform independent. Like it can run even on your mobile as well. So that is why I am preferring this Google Colab as a beginner. After some time, after when you get a hands-on experience on these things, on this data analytics, Python, and the machine learning, then we will be moving on towards the good platform that is Jupyter. Even with the Google Colab also, we can do every advanced things. There is nothing like that we cannot do whatever we can do in Jupyter. There is nothing like that. Fine. So how can we use this Google Colab? And this Colab is such a platform which is actually powered by Google. And like, how can we use Google? If I say, then you can simply search Colab in Google. Then you will be getting one link of welcome to Colab. Fine. Just click on the first link, welcome to Colab, and you will be redirected to some of the welcome screen of this Colab, where you can see many projects. But those who are using the Colab for the very first time, for them you cannot see any projects, as because I am using Colab for a very long time. So these project ideas, all the projects what I have done, that is being listed over here. But those who are using Colab for the very first time, for them you can see one white screen over here. Fine. And after that, just you can see one new notebook button, blue colored. And you just click on this new notebook button. Just wait for 30 seconds, you will be redirected to one screen where you can actually write the codes. Okay. So now there is one thing, that is this is the main thing of the Google Colab, where you will be getting everything. Even you are getting the support of Gemini as well. Like suppose you are writing some wrong codes, or your codes are giving bugs or something, that can be actually corrected by the Gemini. It is Gemini powered, as because it is powered by the Google, so that is why it is powered by Gemini as well. So now how can you run everything? How can you do everything? Let us move on with the setup of the Google Colab. First of all, when you have opened, when you got this screen, you just tap on this connect button. You can see one connect icon over here. Just click on this connect icon. Just wait for 10 seconds. This thing will get connected to the Google server. Okay, this thing will get connected. Just wait for a few minutes, until and unless it gets connected to the Google server. Just wait for it. Don't do anything. Just wait for it until and unless it gets connected to it. See, we are getting connected to the Google server. See, connected to Python 3 Google compute engine backend, right? So this Google compute engine backend is the server which is available in Google. So we don't need to mention anything. We don't have to maintain anything we don't have to do. Everything will be managed by Google. And I have told you, right, that in machine learning we will be dealing with a lot and huge amount of data. So from where we will be importing the data? Those data are currently present in your hard disk and SSD. So from where you will be importing the data? You will be simply clicking on this file icon. Just click on this file icon. You can see one upload button. Just click on this upload button. You will be redirected to your files, to your local files. Just select the file which you want to import, on which you want to do the analysis, or on which you want to do the machine learning, on which you want to train your machine learning algorithm. Just import that specific data in the Google Colab. So I'm just selecting the first data. Okay, just wait for it. You can see that this data will get loaded eventually in your Google Colab. Now that data which is currently present in your local disk, like hard disk or SSD, that is now present in your Colab as well. it is running in the Google server, it is running in the Google Cloud server. So whenever you want to use this data, whenever you want to use this CSV file, what you will be doing, you will just hover over this file. You can get this three dot over here, you can find one option, copy path, just press the copy path, that's it. And with the help of pandas, we can actually load our data in our main Colab. Fine. So I know like many of you guys have done NumPy, pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, but there will be many who have not done, or someone will be there who have forgotten. So for them, in the next two classes I will be explaining about the NumPy and pandas. That will be really helpful for you guys, right? And one thing, one of the most important thing you need to know, that here I have imported how many data, just 500 rows of data I have imported. It will be hardly around 2 to 3 MB, right? Or maximum I am assuming 10 MB. But suppose you are getting one data which is 10 GB or 10 TB, how can you handle it? Like, can our Google Colab handle it? Yes, our Google Colab is efficient enough, to handle those 10 GB of data. So what you have to do at that point of time, you have to go to runtime, and you will get one option of change runtime type. Okay, change runtime type. Here you will be getting some option like CPU, GPU, TPU, every options you are getting. Now this GPU is not your computers or your laptops GPU. This is the Google Cloud's GPU. So once you are getting some 10 GB, 15 GB data, or a huge data which you think that the CPU will be taking a huge amount of time, you can switch it to GPU, or if you want you can use a TPU as well, by which you can scale your Google Colab. Fine. So Google Colab is that much high end. It is not like we cannot define, or we cannot make any huge project with the Google Colab. It is not like that at all. We can do each and every project with the Google Colab. Even companies are also preferring Google Colab rather than the Jupyter. Okay, because Jupyter is not getting any support of the AI agents, but Google Colab is getting the support of the Gemini. So that is why Google Colab is getting a bit benefit more than the Jupyter. Fine. So now the next thing you should know about this thing, where we will be writing the codes. Where we will be writing the code, you can see this blue colored box. This blue colored box is known as the cell. Inside the cell, we will be writing our codes. How? See, we just want to print hello world. What we will be writing? Print hello world. Right? Print hello world. Done. And how can you execute it? How can you execute it? We can execute it with the help of control enter. See, this print hello world is getting executed and our hello world is being shown in our screen, right? Now suppose we want to go to the next cell. We want to go to the next cell. We want to run the previous cell as well as we want to go to the next cell. What we will be doing? Rather than pressing the control enter, we will be pressing shift enter. See, the previous cell is getting executed as well as we are getting one new cell as well. So suppose A is equals to 20, B is equals to 30, and C is equals to A plus B, and we want to print C. We just simply want to print C. What we will be doing? We don't have to write this print again and again. We can simply write the C and it will get executed, because this is the Colab terminal. This is the Colab terminal window. It is using the Colab terminal. Okay. So that is why we can just run it by pressing shift enter and see the result is being displayed. We can write the print. Print is optional. You can write print or you can don't write print, but as a habit, as a machine learning engineer, I would suggest, please write print. Don't ignore it. Please write print. Don't just ignore this thing or skip this thing, or don't just make one habit that you will be simply writing the C and the output will get displayed. Don't make it as a habit. You should write print. You should write print whenever you want to print the output. You should write the print. Fine. So in this way you will be managing the entire Colab, and there is nothing more about it. There is nothing more. I am not making it very complex about the Colab. By learning this thing only, you can just simply make your place in your machine learning playlist, in your machine learning journey. Fine. And that's it about today. Those who are willing to learn about the machine learning, you can follow us our playlist about the machine learning. Those who want to learn about statistics, Suchna ma'am is currently going through the statistics playlist. You can just refer her playlist. And if you like our video, if you just like seriously, if you just like our video, you can follow our channel, you can follow our Instagram as well, you can subscribe our channel. Okay, so if you have any doubt, do comment down in the comment section. If you want to ask any doubt personally, email id is already present in the description box. Just go in the description box, you can find our email id, you can message us over there. Fine. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. We will be meeting tomorrow in the next class about a new chapter about NumPy and Pandas. I will be just giving the overview of NumPy and Pandas. And thank you everyone. Bye.